Vavasor at Nicholls State University again. I was able to get my hands on a computer that did not have the download for Screencast O Matic on it, so I can walk you through that. Just as I said in the earlier video, when you go to Screencast O Matic, you do not have to log in. That's not a requirement, one of the reasons I like it. You're going to say start recording for free, and then you're going to say launch free recorder. After a few seconds, hopefully my Wi-Fi will stay solid, you will see a prompt that says Get Recorder Launcher with some blue letters that say Download Launcher. There we go. And we're going to say go ahead and download it. And if you're on a Mac, you'll see it at the bottom left-hand corner start to download. If you're on a PC, it might be up here near your browser window. As soon as it's finished downloading, it'll just take a couple of seconds here. We will click on it. It will verify it. If you get any prompts that say, oh, warning, are you sure you want to do this? Please say yes, this is a very safe download. We're going to double click on the launcher. We will say, that's what I was talking about. Yes, this is a safe file from the internet. We know it's from a safe source. And hopefully in just a second, we'll see it launch. There it is. Our screen recorder is ready. Remember, you only have to do this one time if you are using the same computer to record your screencasts each time. If you use more than one computer, you will have to do this each time you start on a new computer, but you will no longer have to go through this process each time as you make screencasts on this computer. Hope that helps. Y'all have a great day.